Hi, this is our third feedback video and we're going to go over the answers in practice sheet 1.3. So we're looking at letters Jim, Ha and Kha. This is taken from a hymn called Ar-Ruhu Yajma'una, which means the Spirit gathers us. So we're looking at the first word. We know this one, we've seen it before. That's an alif when it comes with the lam. So we looked at this in section 1.1 when we said alif comes slanted. The second one is a kiddie pool with two dots. That's a ta. This is an alif. This is a special kind of alif, alif maqsura. And we have a jim here. So we finally found one of the letters we're looking for. So that's a jim. It's got the sharp side of a sickle or minjal and a dot in the center. And the last word has an alif at the end. So the next one, we have the same word we started with actually. This is one of the nice things that's going to help you when you read hymns because you have a lot of repetition of the same word. So you start this one and you're thinking, what is that? And then by the time you've remembered it, you come to another one and you know it right away. The second word is ar-ruh, ha. So that's a ha. It's got the sickle situation here without a dot anywhere. This is a diacritic, not a dot. And then we have an alif, another alif. We haven't learned these two yet. So I'm going to read it out for you, and then you can listen for the sound jim here, for the sound j, and the sound ha. لولا الزيت ما أعطى السراج نورا. Also can say السراج نورا. لولا الروح ما فرشنا نور الله. And we're at exercise 2 now. We have the phonemic script of the first word. Snow in Arabic is ثلج, ثلج, or ثلج, ثلج. So we're looking for the sound ja or ja. And we know something about ja. That's a sound you hear in the word manjal or minjal, sorry. So let's look at the options we have. So we know that one has a dot in the center, so that's the right one. What's the problem with the other two? This one doesn't have a dot, and this one has a dot, but it's on top. So this first one is our letter, the letter jim, and you can see it's connected. You can see a connector over here. Okay, moving on to B. Christ in Arabic is al-Masih, al-Masih. And the al, the first three sounds here, al, is the definite article in Arabic. So it's like saying the, al-Masih. Let's look at the option. The one with the dot on top is a kha, not a ha. So we're not going to take that one. And the last one we've already covered is a ja or ja, not a ha. So our middle option is the correct option. So we're going to go with the middle one over here. And in C, we have a short word. Brother in Arabic is akh, akh. So we have one letter here to complete, and we're looking for the sound kha. This is a ha, this is a ja, and the last one is our letter kha. And you can see these are connected here, and this is isolated, which tells you the letters that come before these connect to the left, and alif, which we already know, doesn't connect to the left. Okay, so I'm gonna do my favorite part, which is writing, completing these words. Okay, so thalj. I'm not gonna do all this and like that. I can simply do, I can do this. Remember, like certain fonts, they write in with a certain flair sometimes. So I like to keep it simple when I'm writing. So this one also, for the second one, I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna try and do a better job than the last one and make it round. That looks better. We have a steady hand. And the last one is isolated. There you have it. Let's say them together. ثلج المسيح أخ. Now we're looking at the letters on the line. So basically those letters have two parts, one on top of the line and one below. No letter starts below the line. They're always on the line. And even in this letter, like the round shape comes below the line, but to different degrees. And again, it depends on the font. So the top straightish line here is on top of the line and the rest is below it. And the dot is below it here and above here. Okay, so that's it. I think you're ready to do the quiz. So go ahead and do it, and I hope you get a full mark.